Hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to receive notifications anytime I upload a new video in this channel. When you're pregnant, you'll probably get a lot of unsolicited opinions about your body and your baby. One of the most popular topics for discussion is whether that little bundle you're carrying is a baby boy or a baby girl. There are lots of old midwife tales and other information about this matter, but remember, most of these tales and theories are not scientifically based but just for fun. Your baby's sex is set as soon as the sperm meets the egg. It's at the point of conception when a baby gets 23 chromosomes from each of their parents. Along with the gender, things like eye color, hair color, and even intelligence are already determined. Your baby's genitals start to develop around week 11 of pregnancy, and you can find out the sex of the baby through ultrasound around 18 to 20 weeks of pregnancy. But of course, that doesn't stop moms-to-be and their families and friends from making predictions. Here are the 10 most popular signs of a baby boy. Keep in mind that none of these signs are based on facts. They have no scientific evidence behind them. Instead, they are myths and are simply for fun. 1. Morning sickness. You may have heard that with boys, you should have relatively smooth sailing in the morning sickness department, but the fact is that morning sickness varies from woman to woman and pregnancy to pregnancy. Studies shows that 80% of pregnant women experience some amount of nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, regardless of baby sex. 2. Cravings. With boys, you crave salty and savory foods like potato chips, but the fact is that no conclusive studies have performed on food cravings as an accurate way to predict the gender of your baby. 3. Low fetal heart rate. One of the most universal myths about gender revolves around your baby's heart rate. If the fetal heartbeats per minute is below 140, the baby is supposed to be a boy. Unfortunately, there is no heart rate behind it. A study published in Fetal Diagnosis and Therapy revealed that there is no meaningful difference between boy or girl heart rates in early pregnancy. Normal fetal heart ranges from 110 to 160 beats per minute. 4. Your skin is clear and glowing. Some people believe that if a pregnant woman is beautiful, it means she's carrying a baby boy. A similar tale revolves around hair growth with a boy. Your hair will be longer and beautiful, but the truth is that hormonal changes during pregnancy affect all women differently. 5. Carrying low. And we're having a baby boy, but the truth is that how you carry during pregnancy has more to do with the shape of your uterus, your unique body type, and abdominal muscles. It doesn't necessarily mean your baby is a boy. 6. Your urine is dull yellow. If your urine is dull yellow, you might be pregnant with a baby boy, but the truth remains urine color, smell, and volume varies throughout the day and with hydration and diet. As such, there is no relation between urine and the gender of your unborn baby. 7. Cold feet. If your feet are always cold when you're pregnant, old midwife tales holds that you might be expecting a boy, but here is the truth. Temperature changes are most likely due to normal hormonal fluctuations. So, this is not a reliable gender determination. 8. Location of placenta. If placenta is lying posterior, it means you're expecting a baby boy. But the truth is that there isn't enough concrete research or evidence to back up the theory linking a posterior placenta with having a baby boy. This theory is just for fun. 9. Putting on pounds around your belly. If you're all belly, according to this myth, there's a good chance you welcome a baby boy, but the fact is that the mother's size and shape is involved rather than the gender of the baby. 10. Your partner is not gaining weight. The old midwife tale says that there's a good chance you're having a boy if your partner isn't gaining enough weight even when the scale tips upwards for you as the week progresses. The truth is that the weight of your partner doesn't point to a particular gender. Just be patient. You will find out if your baby is boy or girl very soon. There are 2 scientific proven ways to find out the gender of your unborn baby. 1. Non-invasive prenatal test. 2. Ultrasound scan around 18 to 20 weeks of pregnancy. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to watch similar videos from this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to enable you receive notification anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.